Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends stuck on tutorial patching screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, if you're playing League of Legends here, or at least trying to learn League of Legends, and you get stuck on the tutorial page or stuck on the tutorial patching screen, there are a few things you need to know about how the game works and why you might be encountering this problem. League of Legends, by default, uses and downloads a very large amount of data. The full game usually requires anywhere from 15 to 30 or even 60 gigabytes of space depending on updates. If you haven't downloaded the full package or if certain files are still missing, the game will automatically start patching itself in the background. Because of this, the Start Now button, the X button, or even the Play button might appear grayed out while the game downloads the remaining files. In some cases, if a tutorial is available, you may see the Start Now button, and clicking the X button might let you skip the tutorial. But when the buttons are disabled and the game appears stuck, it usually means a patch or update is still being applied in the background. This is something that happens quite frequently with League of Legends, and the easiest way to fix it is to fully close Riot and League of Legends, not just minimize them. So, in order to fully close the game, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. You can also open the search bar at the bottom and type Task Manager. Once you're inside, scroll through the processes list and look for anything related to League of Legends. When you see the processes, especially the ones using the most memory, right-click on them and select End Task. This will force the game to close completely. After ending League of Legends processes, scroll up and look for anything related to Riot. This will usually appear at the top of the list as Riot Client. Right-click on it and choose End Task as well. To make sure everything is fully closed, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Show Hidden Icons arrow. If you still see the Riot Games icon in that section, right-click on it and select Exit. This ensures the client is fully shut down from your PC. Once everything is closed, reopen the Riot client and launch League of Legends again to check if the issue is fixed. If the problem still persists, then restarting your PC or laptop usually helps reset anything that may be stuck in the background. After restarting, open the Riot client again and the patching screen should load normally. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix League of Legends stuck on tutorial patching screen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.